How to fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing solution. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, what you need to do is just go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Tapswap wallet. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on the application, then tap on app info, and it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can also clear cache if you want, and if you are more comfortable, you can also delete all data if it's possible. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for the smooth operation of the application on your device. Then go back and restart your device, and this might help you solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.